Why are animals' faces fierce? I once said, the origin of life can be understood through the energy transmission theory. All creatures in this world, from humans to rabbits and elephants, exist thanks to solving energy problems. But why are some animals fierce and others gentle? The answer is very simple. They're food. In nature, you will see this very clearly. Predators such as tigers and leopards often have fierce faces.
Why?
Because their food source is prey that needs to be chased and fought. On the contrary, herbivores such as deer and elk, with food sources that are always available and have little competition, have gentle faces. You can test it yourself. When animals cannot find a suitable food source, or food sources are scarce, you will see stress expressed right on their faces. What about humans? Look at yourself. If you eat something that is hard to digest like shrimp paste for many days, the feeling of discomfort will be clearly visible on your face. This is not a miracle, but an inevitable consequence of the process of energy transmission. When energy is not absorbed and processed properly, the information expressed on the outside will be deviant. I call this phenomenon three-life face, meaning that the information generated from energy transmission is expressed directly on the face. The problem of energy in nature. Look at the forest. An old tree grows tall and spreads shade, but its roots must penetrate deep to absorb water and nutrients. If the source of energy, in this case sunlight or water, is lacking, the tree will be stunted or die. This is the clearest proof that energy is the fundamental factor that sustains life. Even animal behavior illustrates this. Have you ever heard of ants building a bridge to cross a stream? They are not taught by anyone, but their instincts drive them to find ways to transmit energy from one individual to another, forming a collective solution for survival. So, where do human emotions come from? Emotions, by their very nature, are also a form of energy. They are the result of the energy transmission problem in the brain. When you love, hate, are happy, or sad, it all has to do with how the brain responds to stimuli from the environment and within. Imagine, if the brain is not supplied with enough oxygen or glucose, the two main sources of energy, can you feel anything? From nature to humans. The eternal problem. Elon Musk once solved the energy problem for his servers. But before he found the solution, nature had solved this problem for millions of years. We are all born by Mother Nature in a system where each individual must find the most efficient way to transmit and use energy. There is no evolution, as Darwin said, only adaptation to optimize energy. My story, your story, and the story of every species on this planet revolves around a single problem, the problem of energy transmission.